maglangit.
Sakto yun. Their knowledge of the existence of God, that's number one. Nasa kay bao, nga na Diyos. Okay? But pa about God consciousness. Sa Romans 1:18-20. Sa ikaduha, gusto mo ito langit, maniging yung kinkin. See? Their fear of death, ano ikaduha. Bitaw sa Ecclesiastes 3:1, God has written eternity in their heart. Now, kaya uban ko kay mga pilosopo, nila, hindi kamatay na to, no more. We never go, we go out of existence. See? Apan ang tao has no excuse. Hebrews 12:14-15. We never go out of existence.